Welcome to Iffa 2025. Delighted to be on the Scotnet stand, D70 Hall 12.1. And we're here to welcome all of our distributors and customers from around the world to see the very, very latest that Scotnet has to offer. So at the show, we are showcasing everything Scotnet has to offer. Our thermoform bone protection, showing how much weight we can save, reducing landfill and helping recyclability. From our AST80 automatic string tyre, the fastest string tyre in the market, tying at over 85 knots a minute. Our double press, our collagen single stuffer, our standard single stuffer, the old favourite double stuffer, and finally the auto cutter with its in-feed conveyor. All easy to use. And here we have our Scotnet netting section. On this side we're demonstrating all of the features that we can do that help our cooked meat customers, all to do with increasing yield, with cooking loss, stripping loss, cavity loss, and slicing loss. And here we have our retail nets to help the overall presentation of the finished product on that customer shelf.